Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bluesky weekly settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Bluesky and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Bluesky. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.